This event is a cycling event, yes it is, and it's very, very important to us, all the guys in red tops, that you guys have an amazing time, but it's also really, really important that we raise a lot of money. Right, last year we raised £161,000, £161,582, which is a bit rubbish, I've got to say, because we can do so much more than that. But it is, no, honestly, it is a fantastic amount of money. I'm going to go back 5 years. 2013, we raised about £60,000 from this event. 2014, we raised about £70,000 from this event. 2015, about £120,000. 2016, about £150,000. Last year, we raised £161,000, which is, with all due respect, is an amazing amount of money, and yeah, it's fantastic. This last year, when I was stood here with £65,000, we've just gone through £100,000 for this year. We've had 700 riders today. That £100,000 is only from 289 riders. We'll go for the £1 million mark for this event, raising money for charity. £1 million this event has raised for charity. £1 million. Guys, that is incredible. Thank you. Every year, people have, we do an honours list of people who've raised more than £250. Last year there was 88 people who raised more than £250. Rob Sheehan, is he here today? I don't know if he's here. Rob Sheehan raised £3,939. Sorry, that's this year. This year Rob Sheehan is currently raising £3,939. Claire Jones. Claire, is she here? I don't know. Claire Jones, £2,485. Is Charlie Woodward here? Is Charlie Woodward here? Is Charlie here? Charlie's there. Is he gone? Yeah. Charlie Woodward is 16 years old and 15. Charlie Woodward is 16 years old. He goes to school with my son. His father passed away 6 months ago. He has had his rider number today to complete the ride. Charlie Wood was 16 years old and he's raised £1,435. I've got people here, Matthew Haig, £5,000 last year, Richard Macy, £3,100 in 2016, 155 riders raised over £250. Damien Neville in 2015 raised £2,100. Chris Davis raised £2,000. There's a theme here. You guys raise an incredible amount of money for this event, and I thank you from the bottom of my heart for what you do for these charities and these events. So thank you very much for me. Another story about young Paul Hughes, old Paul Hughes. Last year he raised £4,395, and I had a conversation with Paul on the 4-dayer. I'm going to get emotional now, I really am. I had a conversation with Paul in the bar on the 4-dayer, and I said to him, what are you raising money for? He says, my son is currently in hospital with cancer and a brain tumour. He's at the QE, and I'm raising money for the QE hospital. And last year, Paul raised over £4,000 for the QE hospital. His son is called Ryan. Ryan is here, he's done the ride today. He's done... this year's ride, okay. We had 40 charity nominations. We changed it a little bit as a committee. Previously, we've asked for your nominations and we have said we'll do those 15 charities. This year we've opened it up a little bit, but we have had 6 designated charities. There are 95 different charities who are benefiting for your efforts this year, which is brilliant. But there are 6 designated charities that we've decided as a committee. If people don't really know who to raise money for, then we will give the money to those charities. Ups and Downs, which is a Down syndrome charity in Halsowing. Donna Louise, which is a children's hospital in Stoke. 7 Hospice, which is a hospice that caters for people with terminal illnesses in the Shropshire and Powys area. Friends of Alfie Johnson, which is a children's charity based in the Black Country for children with terminal illness. Molly Ollie's Wishes, you may have seen them at stop number 3. Wednesday, yeah, with all the pink stuff. Children's charity for terminal illnesses in children. And then the Friends of Bridgenorth Hospital, who are over there. Have a wave, big wave. Our wonderful sponsors, Datatag, they have again supported us this morning during the ride. They've helped at the finish, the staff have helped at the finish. They've been really good enough to donate some of the prizes that you've all got around your necks from this afternoon. So Datatag, big shout out for Datatag, well done. I want to thank all you guys, particularly the guys who have supported you. A lot of people today have ridden, done a lot of training, done a lot of sponsorship, but behind you sit families, sit friends, sit work colleagues who have helped you, who've given you that hour off to go for a bike ride, who've not moaned on a Sunday morning when you've gone for a training run, have supported you. So I think everybody, including riders, wives, girlfriends, boyfriends, husbands, families who have supported everybody else in this event, deserve some recognition.